we sail a little bit high.
Advantages and side effects of Japanese papaya leaf. Advantages and symptoms of Japanese papaya leaf is anything but a public mystery. This is on the grounds that the advantages acquired from the papaya leaf Japan undeniably more than the incidental effects got when burned through. Japanese papaya leaf isn't a papaya leaf that comes from Japan, however comes from West Java. So far we know the leaves of papaya with an unpleasant taste, not at all like the Japanese papaya leaves that have a sweet taste. Papaya leaf isn't just utilized for vegetables, however regularly utilized as a medication to fix different infections. This is on the grounds that the substance of this leaf is extremely normal in support the body. For additional insights regarding the advantages and symptoms of papaya leaf Japan, we audit beneath. Advantages and side effects of Japanese papaya leaf. Forestall anemia. Japanese papaya leaves contain 100% more iron than spinach leaves. So you can get the advantages of Japanese papaya leaves as a blood sponsor in the event that you routinely eat these vegetables. 2. Anti-cancer. The most awesome advantages of Japanese papaya leaf is it tends to be utilized as an enemy of malignancy drug. Papaya leaves can make the body becomes more grounded, particularly the cells that are defenseless to malignant growth. Likewise, the substance contained in the papaya leaf is acetogenin, which demonstrated exceptionally incredible in forestalling the event of disease. 3. Increment muscle strength. Japanese papaya leaves contain sufficient protein to meet the protein needs of the muscles. In 100 grams of Japanese papaya leaves, there are 6.2 to 7.4 grams of protein, which meets 12 to 15% of day-by-day protein needs. 4. Good for intestinal health. Advantages and results of Japanese papaya leaf. 1 is generally excellent for keeping up with gastrointestinal well-being. This is on the grounds that the leaves are regular and contain chemicals, for example, chymopapane, papain, amylase, proteases, starches and minerals that make the digestion tracts cleaner and make the body's stomach-related organs work appropriately. At the point when the stomach-related organs are working appropriately, we will keep away from the different infections that are available in the body. 5. Fortify bone well-being. In Japanese papaya leaves contain calcium of 200 to 300 milligrams for every 100 grams. This substance meets around 20 to 33% of day-by-day calcium needs in the body. 6. Preventing coronary heart. Coronary heart as a rule happens because of elevated cholesterol levels. To forestall coronary heart, it takes a ton of nutrient C as a cell reinforcement in blood flow. Be that as it may, by burning through Japanese papaya leaves consistently, then you will be saved from coronary illness in light of the fact that, in papaya leaf itself is plentiful in nutrient C. 7. Ensure eye well-being. The advantages of Japanese papaya leaves come from their high nutrient substance. In 100 grams of Japanese papaya leaves, there are 1,357 IU of nutrient A, which meets around 27% of the day-by-day nutrient necessity. By routinely devouring Japanese papaya leaves, you can feel the advantages of Japanese papaya leaves for eye well-being. 8. Healing gastric stomach. The advantages and symptoms of Japanese papaya leaf can avert free revolutionaries or fill in as cell reinforcements. This is on the grounds that papaya leaves have glutathione peroxidase movement led through the review and got the outcome that somebody who burned through papaya leaves had a generally little level of oxidative pressure, in this way limiting gastric ulcers. Subsequent to knowing a portion of the advantages acquired from papaya leaves, yet these leaves additionally have incidental effects like the accompanying risky for pregnant women. Pregnant ladies are not encouraged to burn through papaya leaf. Japan. This can prompt unsuccessful labor due to the chemical substance of papain that can be poisonous to the hatchling. Causes hypersensitivity. The substance contained in papaya leaves, for example, papain proteins, can cause hypersensitivities like runny nose or zesty eyes. That is a portion of the things identified with the advantages and symptoms of Japanese papaya leaf that can be utilized as a kind of perspective for you. Essentially, the advantages got on papaya leaves contrasted and the symptoms of papaya leaves are a lot bigger, so it is as yet all right for utilization.